Yeah, this is the trade we just took now. It's a New York section. So I just took advantage of the volatility that just normally happen on New York section to lock in my profit. Let me zoom it so that whether you're gonna see it more. I'm gonna zoom it. I just hope that you can see it clearer. Okay. Yeah, probably may not be able to see it very well. But if I go live now, my next section, I'm going to go live trading so that some new ones that are joining us, new people that are joining us, will be able to follow through the systems I use. I mean, the strategies I use upon each section, because the strategy I use on Asia section is different from the one on London and New York section. They're all different. Yeah, each section, I approach each section with different strategies, and it all works out. So all this follows with different analysis. New York section is very good because you take advantage of the volatility, provided you understand the direction of the market, the behavior of the market. And remember, each currency pair or each commodity pair or whatever you're trading, it has a different reaction to different pairs, trading pairs. So they do not react in the same direction. They all react differently. And that's one thing you should bear in mind, so that the strategy you use trading GBP USD will not going to be the same strategy you're going to use to trade the gold. They're all different. Okay. They're all index 100. So all these things has different approach to the market. But the common strategy that is applicable to all is price action. Of course, support and resistance, price action with trend line, and that is the common strategy I use trading or any currency pair to analyze them. So if you like trading forex, any pair, forex pair with price action, support and resistance with trade line, then you are on the right platform. Then subscribe and like so that you'll be notified anytime we have an awesome content here. And likewise, you can check out other tutorials on this channel so that you can follow suit, so that you can have an in-depth knowledge and understanding of what we are doing here. Or you can message me through the Telegram, or you can join our community on Telegram group so that you can have direct access to me as well. You can, you know, take advantage of our free signals we drop on daily basis. See you then. I hope you keep winning and winning big.